Greetings, everyone. This is Elizabeth. Thank you for joining me today in my ramble session. Ramble session. That's what we're doing today. I just want to pop in and say hello. How are ya? How are you guys doing? A lot of you I see during my lives, so hello. Well, not really see. I read you guys that chat with us during the lives, and I appreciate it. For the replay watchers, thank you. Which reminds me, I think I got a couple of comments to go check. I'm very bad at that. Just know you guys are so appreciated. You just don't understand. Anywho, bins. So I just wanted to, for all the noobs out there that don't know me, I'm sorry. You signed up. You hit the subscribe button. Now you're in for it. Buckle up. Just buckle up. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna be doing some more some pre-recordeds. I used to do pre-recordeds back in the day, and then I decided I really love lives. Lives are my jam. I love creating live, but I know that that's not for everyone. So we're going to throw in some pre-recordeds, like 1 or 2 a month for all the viewers. There's going to be 1 a month for the Sassy Pants and higher level memberships. So if you're paying for the memberships, you'll get an extra pre-recorded or 2. And then if you're Sassy Pants, that's the highest tier, we do have a bonus live, plus all the things in the smaller tiers. So you can check that out if you like. And please remember that if you become a member on any channel on the YouTubes, it is reoccurring. So if you sign up and you just want a month just to like binge watch all of the free stuff, be sure to cancel before it resubscribes you. So, I'm all for that. I'm all for that. Save it for a few months, and then binge watch. I gotta bust out some videos, for you that have signed up since January. Well, I know it was towards the end of the January. I will be getting those videos out. And if you're no longer a member, I will make it so that you can still watch it. I think I just have to send you the link differently. So you will still get to see the content. I'm a slacker, but hopefully coming April, I'll quit being such a slacker. I just get nervous. I get nervous about making content pre-recorded. Like, you guys come and see me during the lives, and I don't know, I'm like, nobody's going to want to watch this pre-recorded stuff, but you guys show up. You guys show up all the time, and I don't know why I worry about that. It's one of those things I need to work on myself, giving myself some credit. I've been here. I keep gaining followers slowly but surely, but we're gonna gain that following, so you guys have more people to interact with, because we like our community here. Just a note, if you're watching lives, I've updated them this year so that going back will be easier. So if you want a Pattern Paper Monday, it's going to have the date. So if you're watching and you're liking the live that's going on, you can write down the date so you can go back and find it easier. I'm putting the date in the title. So even this pre-recorded, like today is going to be 3/17/26 rambling, right? So the date is there. So you can write down the date on your planner or in your notes or somewhere so that you can find the videos a little bit more easily. You can save all across the YouTubes. You can save videos into playlists. So if you find something that grabs your interest from anybody, you can create a playlist and put it in there, and then you have it to watch later. My playlists are a hot mess right now, and not everything's in the proper playlist. I got to work on that. So keep an eye out for that. Some of my playlists are, they have the stuff, but not enough stuff. There's too many. It's like me talking a little bit too much. There's too many playlists. But like the lives. So my lives have little placeholders. If it's Pattern Paper Monday, it's going to have the Pattern Paper Monday placement holder. I'm going to make placement holders for pre-recordeds because I know what I record, not everybody's going to watch. Like sometimes I'll be coloring. I love coloring, and I really need to get into actually coloring in the books that I buy. What? I know. But we can be collectors. But we really should color into the books that we buy. And so it'll be like the date, the basic rundown of what's going on, the date, coloring, and then I'll put what we're coloring or card making, and then what the main products are that we're going to be using, like resin, sublimation, all the things. It's going to have the date, the basic info. So when you read the title, you'll know what you're getting yourself into. So if you don't do resin, you don't do sublimation, you don't have to click on those to watch them. And you can look out for the ones that say like coloring. If you like to color along with somebody, my videos will not be edited because I want to push out more video. And in order for me to do that, I'm not going to be editing. So the pauses, the time it takes me to peel a wrapping off of a product, to peel the backing off of a sticker, the coloring, the mess ups, all of it is going to be in there. They're going to be designed for following along or to have that background noise while you're cleaning or organizing or you're doing your own craft. So they're going to be a longer format. Some will be short, some will be long, and it'll be based on how long it actually takes me to do something. So just keep that in mind. And of course, we always have our lives, which are scheduled out in a month in advance. So at the end of this month, I will schedule out for the whole of next month, which, by the way, the last part of April, first part of May, there might be some missing days because it is Simon Says Create event. So I will be having friends here at my house, and then we'll be at a hotel. So we're going to miss some days like Thursday and Friday for sure because, well, we'll be out there. Maybe I'll do a pop-up live like of what's going on. I'm always so nervous about those, and I always say I'm going to do them, and I never do. But maybe having some friends there will be a little bit more encouraging. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so I'm going to be at the Simon Says Create event, the last part of April, first part of May. I'm super excited. And if you're going to be there, let me know. Maybe we can drop in and just say a quick little hello. And if you're a hugger, I will take a deep breath and give you a hug because I'm not a hugger. But I know the value of a hug, so I give those to those that need them or want them. But it's weird. It's weird for me. It's weird for me. Just so you know, if I give you a hug, write it down. Write it down because it's special. I don't just hug anybody's. Any hoobins. But I did just want to drop in and say hello, and I appreciate all of you guys hanging around, and I welcome the newbies. Welcome to the channel. You can also find me on Instagram under Elizabeth Costa-Rogers. You can find me on TikTok under Chat with Sassy. You can find me through Twitch under Chat with Sassy. Chat with Sassy is that's my alter ego. That's my alter ego. Chat with Sassy. Wait, where are we? That's Sassy. Sassy. All-inclusive Sassy. But yeah, so you can find me in the places listed under Chat with Sassy. That is my unicorn. If you see that unicorn somewhere else, let me know because I gotta have them take it down. I had to have it taken down once. Somebody had my logo, and it was so weird because even my friends joined and were like thinking it was me. And I'm like, that's not me. That's my unicorn. I drew it. I made it, but it wasn't me. So TikTok was very quick about it, and they took my unicorn down. So, and it hasn't happened again. So that's a plus. But yeah, Chat with Sassy, Elizabeth Costa-Rogers, that is all in the same person. It's my alter ego. And yeah, sometimes we feel stabby. Sometimes we spill. Yeah, sometimes we spill the sparkle. Sometimes we feel so sparkly. That's a whole lot of mouthful of words. Anywho's, again, just thank you, and we'll see you around. Stay crafty, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Okay, have a good one. Bye bye. Let's click the outro.